back to my channel. It's me, Nee. And today your girl gonna do a 2-liter soda chug. So before I get to this video, hope all is well. Hope everybody's staying safe. Hope everybody's staying home so we won't catch this coronavirus or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get into this video because this is gonna be my little quick little whatever this is today. So yeah, let me just get into it. 2-liter soda chug. Can I do it? That's why I got this S on my chest. I think I can do it. I think I can. I think I can. All right, let's see. You ready? Go. The fuck was that? Whew. All right. Oh my God, this Pepsi is strong as a bitch. All right, here we go. Pause. Y'all, I don't think this a chug. Just a I don't know. It's an epic fail because I cannot just get all this down. See, I'm halfway through and these burps is killing me. This shit gonna kill me. No. Woo. Oh no. This shit is dangerous. I be like watching people do the soda chugs. I can't do it. This Pepsi burning my damn chest. Oh God. Whew. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, give your girl a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, like it. Comment. Subscribe. Y'all. I'ma just end this video before I die on camera. Alright, y'all. Peace out. One love. Alright. Eat.